press. Welcome to my camper pod, the Kitchenette. Not a full kitchen, Kitchenette. To gain access to the sink, which right now it's a countertop, glass countertop, so please be careful. You just raise up this top. Wondering where do I get the water? All you have to do, pull this little guy up and turn. Cold, hot, hotter. Yeah! There's water in there. It says empty. I've emptied out all the water because we just had a little freeze. This camper will be full of water. Thinking this is not a lot of counter space. If you're not using the sink, just turn this guy and down both of these go. But now you have a small peninsula that you can use. This is a workspace where you can eat, desk. I mean, you could put this up at night. This could be your nightstand. When you're not using it, press these guys at the bottom and fold down. Your refrigerator, all you do is just pull and open. A Saratoga water as well. Again, there will be ice waiting for you. Plenty of space to store your food. In the morning, if you want coffee, you will use this espresso machine. Open it up at the top, fill it up with water, close it. It says double click, heat the water. You don't have to hold it while you heat it. In fact, you can use this to double click, leave it for about 2 minutes, come back. It should be hot. Take this out. Long press, 1, 2, 3, let go. Your coffee starts to come out. I skipped a step. You have to open this up and decide which coffee you want. Correction. This is the one you need for the baby pods. And then, sure, okay, like that. Okay, it grooves in there. And then you twist that. Coffee comes out. Little bitty coffee pods. You have your coffee. There's some creamer up here. Hot coffee. Open this up. Plug your little hot plate in. Sit your coffee down on it. Put the top on. Plug it in over here. And then if you notice, this little guy has a little screen right here, and it's going to tell you the temperature of the cup. Once you have it at a temperature you like, take it off. Let this cool down, put it away, and you still have your morning coffee. The kitchen also has the handle for the shower water, which is above. And then back here we have the buttons to turn on the water, fridge, and fan. And then up here we have little mini towels. Add some water to it and it, expands. Everything you need to keep things cold. Have a small table, clean things, grab water, have access to coffee creamer, little baby towels. This is your little coffee corner. Everything you need to start your morning. Oh, and I made little labels. I don't know if you can see it, but that says coffee corner, which is pretty cool. Down here, this says table. This says kitchenware. This says cleaning. So just making it easy for people to know where things are, maneuver, get things done, get out and get their day started. Venture, explore, CamperBoxx.